Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. This is where you can find me. Twitter at Amy Harber, Instagram at Amy D Harber, and YouTube /Amercat. This is the Sephora Play October 2018 box bag. It's weird. I don't know if it's a box or a bag. Okay, that was me kind of attempting to make fun of a Pearl Jam song, but that happens. Anyway, what's cool about Sephora is you get this little sheet that has like little fun things you can do. Right now we have last minute looks for Halloween. Let's get into these products and talk about them and these last minute looks for Halloween, which is today, tomorrow, yes. So yes, the Sephora Play, Scary Good Beauty is the theme this month. Okay, last minute looks for Halloween. Never got around to pulling together that extravagant costume you were planning on doing. Life of the party, use some primer, grab your shimmery highlighter, boom, you can be a disco ball. Master relaxer, put a face mask on, a towel on your head, and a bathrobe. Not so grumpy cat, that's right. Just grab some cat ears, put a little nose on, some whiskers. Yeah, you're a cat. That was me last minute on Saturday. Wild thing. Good news, you don't need a full moon to be a werewolf. Just use gel to create extra thick brows and go heavy on the contouring. Oh yeah, bonus points if you bring along a K9 companion. Then of course, you get 50 extra play points when you use this in the store to buy stuff. That's right. Oh, we forgot Mask the Villain. Toss on some lip, so put on like a crazy sheet mask, doodle on it, and be a Mask the Villain. I always end up looking like Hannibal Lecter in like one of those sheet masks. Anyway, the products. So we have Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. I enjoy Makeup Forever foundation. They were the first HD foundation I used. I fell in love with it when I was on the set for a Funny or Die project, so I'm excited to try this. It's a full coverage liquid foundation that shines and blurs imperfections. Then, what are you waiting for? Now, that's the thing for this. It's the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. It's their whole mermaid theme line. It's Quench Hydrating Primer. It's a fast absorbing primer that makes your skin look firmer and smoother. So far so good. I've actually tried this fresh soy face cleaner before and it's pretty darn awesome. It's for all skin types. It's gentle, but it will take off the heaviest of makeup. It is pretty bomb cleanser, so I'm glad I got another sample of it. In one swoop, brows. That's right, Benefit Gimme Brow, which I'll get some brow action going on here, but whoop. That's right. Color those puppies in. They're a little thick tonight. I don't care. There we go. This is usually like a long thing. This is a little sample size. It looks pretty cool. Like a bullet. Then we have Caudalie. Is that how you say it? Anyway, it's Radiance Serum. It's an oil-free radiance boosting serum. You put it on at night. Yeah, it looks like cat dropper when you're trying to give your cat medicine, which is sheer hell. I'm sure this is not sheer hell. It's a lightweight brightening formula that gets rid of the dark spots on your skin. And then finally, we have Maison Margiela Replica Sailing Day. It's a sea-inspired scent with a splash of aquatic accord. It's got like some people jumping off a boat there. Which now I have the song Rio by Duran Duran stuck in my head because I'm wearing my Duran Duran shirt. So, there's that. I would smell it, but I already put on some perfume. I don't want to mix fragrances. So that is all that fun stuff. with your last minute Halloween ideas. And I will see you next time on Tomboy Beauty. Follow me and stay beautiful. Happy Halloween.